What's going on, traders? Today we're turning it up in the $5,000 account challenge, up $1,380 on the day. I took one single trade. That was on AMD. Now, originally I had a long idea on AMD at $130. Yesterday gave us this massive run. This morning we see the gap up. I'm looking for a break of the pre-market high to take it long at 130. But I actually took the trade long earlier than the break of 130, and let me explain to you what I did and why. So, starting off, we had an opening pullback that held the previous day's close as a point of support. When we get a break of this downtrend trend line here, I was immediately telling everybody in the live trading that we can start to look to take AMD long. In hindsight, I should have just taken the entry down here, but my concern was that if I took the entry there, high of day here was going to act as a point of resistance. So I wanted to see at least a break of high of day. When we got that break of high of day, we get the test of the pre-market high at $130 as a point of resistance, naturally, right? And then we get the pullback. And I was telling the team, okay, I'm going to go long on this pullback here on a 2-candle pullback because this prior high of day here could potentially act as a new point of support there. It didn't do that. After I took my entry, I was red right away, but I held through because all of this prior resistance there then acts as a point of support here. And I'm only holding through being red for 2 minutes before this bounces right back up, and I'm fairly close to break even. I was green on this trade here. It pulls back, but I'm not panic selling out of this trade because it's still making a higher low here. And then at that point, I realized we have a formation known as a bull pennant, where you have a run up into a series of lower highs as well as higher lows. Then we get the break out from that bull pennant. From here, it's just a matter of holding through until we get the test of the prior high of day as a point of resistance, and I'm up 20% plus on this trade where I decided to take my profits. So that gives me $1,380 gain on the day on this single trade on AMD. Now, could I have held through for a little bit more? Sure. Could I have done a little better with taking the entry a little later over here or possibly a little earlier over here? Sure, but I am very happy with my profits, and I'm happy that I actually took a trade that followed through. The past couple of trading days has been pretty difficult for me. Nonetheless, we managed the risk on those past 2 trading days, being down 566 there and down 570 there. One good winning trade makes up for both of those red days and gives us profits over top of that. So with that, I'm going to wrap up the video here. That's day number 16 of the $5,000 account challenge. Click that link in the description of this video if you'd like to join the account challenge. Sign up for the WAP and come join the Discord server via the WAP. That's going to give you access to the live trading so that you can take trades like this with me every single day. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from it, and I will see you tomorrow when we continue the $5,000 account challenge. Cheers.